Assalamu alaikum everyone. When I visit new places, I try to practice in English and I can learn new vocabularies. Every day I can watch those type of videos on the social media platforms as like YouTube, Facebook and other platform. So my question is, if I don't visit new places, won't be it's possible to learn speak in English to improve our English vocabulary? As an English learner, my opinion is certainly it's possible. If you want, you can learn English in your living area. Such as me, I live in a countryside area. Although I am still practicing in English from this type of place. As you can see, at this moment I'm working in the paddy field because today I have come here to give the water in this paddy field, as well as I am practicing in English to improve my English pronunciation and to speak in English, because I have said that another video there is only one way to improve our English pronunciation. We speak in English every day. So, come to the point. I have said that you don't need to visit new places to improve your English skills. If you live a countryside area, you can visit in the cultivate land. You can visit in your living area beside places which place you like a lot. And if you feel shy to practice in English next to the people, even you can practice alone where nobody is stay. Such as at this moment I am practicing English, my around nobody is staying, because I feel some few little bit to practice in English by the people. For this reason, I practice in English most of the time in this type of field. Also, you can follow these rules if you want. Actually, to become a fluent English speaker, it's need to visit new places. If you have time in your living area, beside has any popular favorite places. If you have time, you can visit those type of places. But if you don't have, you don't need to go there. Such as me, if I want to go any favorite places from my living area to those tourist place, I will have to spend one day. But if I want to learn vocabulary in this one day, I can memorize a lots of vocabulary, as well as I can practice in English, and I can help to my family person to do something new. So you can understand very perfectly. If you want to learn new vocabularies, if you want to speak in English, it's not so crucial to visit new places. If you want, you can practice in English beside your living area, in your place, from your self, if you want. So lastly, I wanna say you keep going, never ever give up. During your English practicing time, you can feel sometimes frustrated, but don't feel frustrated. Mercy, pray for me. See you in the next video.